It's the 29th of March 2023 and all the preparation has been done now, ready for the first races at Cadwell Park in a couple of weeks time. So the kart's all been prepared, engine rebuilt, loads of work done on it. Yeah, so the only thing we haven't done is started it. And there's the phone. Who's that be? The missus. I'll call you back. As I was saying, we're just about ready now. Got just the bubble to put over here, over the exhaust, which is I'm repairing at the moment, but everything's sorted. Loads of work done on the chassis, engine rebuilt, and we haven't started it yet. I'm just waiting for my chief mechanic, Mr. Ayling, to come along and fire it up. Once it fires up, there's going to be no rolling road and dynoing prior to going to Cadwell, because we just haven't got the time to get in there to do it. So it'll be a case of just on the Friday testing, just go out, run it in, run the engine in, run all the brakes in and so on, and make sure everything's going okay, and basically just get used to driving the thing again. So we'll update as we travel and hopefully make a reasonable video with reasonable results for a pensioner. Oh no, I won't be quite a pensioner when we go there, but I will be when we go to Assen, and that would be great, wouldn't it, if we win at Assen with our new project, with the FPE project that we're doing. I'm doing a separate video about the FPE project, which, if it works, you may well see the video, but if it doesn't work, it won't be going on YouTube. It'll be a disaster, an expensive disaster. Anyway, that's it. So all ready to go. Fingers crossed.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Here we are again.
The big test. Right, there's your starter.
For 10.
For 10. Chokes on.
The joke's on me.
It's in gear, second gear, the battery's connected, got plenty of fuel through. So, here we go.
Yep. Still going down.
Anyway, obviously we need
Need to breathe.
slightly more ventilation required in the shed, but at least first flick, brilliant.
Yeah.
First go, that's engine rebuilt, the whole car's all sorted out, ready to go to Cadwell, so hope that bodes well. Yeah, so we'll see you there.